Hey guys, this is a supplementary video for my subscribers. So yeah, I've turned. So this is the new bot. I've obviously turned it on, showing like 2,747. Like that was in the first 22 minutes. So obviously it's like 300-400% per annum APR is what you'd imagine. So it'll keep on turning up after you get 10%. But anyway, enough on the bot. I wanted to go through, just have this extra time to go through the markets, and I wanted to just double check in with you with the stop losses on everything, because like everything stayed the same as far as what we're invested in. So yeah, I just wanted to just go through that. So starting with Ethereum, we've got basically jumped in back down here. So I don't know why that's moved up. It should be down. It should be just down here. So I've got a stop loss on Ethereum at 22.53. There's no reason to. There's no price indecision here on Ethereum. It's been smashed down for quite a while. You can see here. So yeah, I'll be running out the stop loss down at 22.53. Just give it enough room to move up and down, and people to have do their swing trading and stuff like that without you getting stopped out. I'm pretty comfortable with that. Remember, we've only got 5% of our portfolio in here, so. US dollar, same. Well, I just keep an eye on that. We've got 5% in that. Again, all these assets, because it's making up 100%. There's 20 assets and 5% in each. Just to give you another bit of insight, as any one of these ones, I'm watching the flow and watching these stop losses. If this stop loss gets hit, I'll be taking that 5% and I'll be adding it into an extra 5%, making the US dollar amount in the portfolio 10% instead of 5%. So essentially I keep on adding to, as things are not performing, I'll individually add them back into US dollars. So we've got dry powder. We were getting out of the asset as it's falling in price. So essentially we're sort of like, we're selling at the top sort of thing, just locally, within a 5-day time frame. And then basically, as soon as they start performing again, I get green shoots happening where the asset starts coming up. As I look through this every 5 days, then I start going, okay, well, I won't add to the portfolio without waiting and standing down for 5 days, because I'm using 5-day candles, and this is how Heiken-Ashi works. There's a bit more detail than what I usually go into. But as far as the ones that are non-performing assets, I take them out straight away. As soon as I've set the stop loss level, as soon as I hit it in that 5-day period, I've got alarms set up here. You can see, well, this one's turned off, but usually they're on. You can see that'll turn colour in a second. Yep, there you go. And it's probably expired for time because this has been running for quite a while. Any non-performing asset here will get knocked out of the portfolio. I'll add that back into USD, laying in wait to go back in. So yeah, it's been going pretty good so far. So anyway, I'll keep on going through. The Cardano is 32.3 cents. AVAX is still it's having a bit of a breakout. Probably I didn't go through all these candles before, but it's having a bit of a breakout, looking pretty nice actually. Let me just yeah, nothing wrong with that. And then we've got Bitcoin Cash. Oh, sorry, and go back. The stop loss on that, I'd be running it sort of up close to here. Let me open this up. Stop loss I would put just below this wick here. Bitcoin Cash. It's having a bit of a nice looking chart as well. Stop loss is below here, so $305.03. Binance Coin. Again, I've been a few extra things on these charts because I've been pointing out exactly where they are, and let me just get rid of some of these. Yeah, Binance Coin is like my weather bell for what's going on in the market. So, it's been so consistent, and it's done so well during a period of time where everything almost went, down while we're going through a bear period. Yeah, so with BNB, the stop loss we entered down here. So like the stop loss we've got is, just turn this off, this magnet. The stop loss is sort of like down below this level here, and so 507. What's it sitting at? Yeah, $606. Yeah, it's starting to go well. So the total market's starting to wake up. Bitcoin Bitcoin, our stop loss is down here at 55,950 and staying there because, again, I'm in five day time frame Hikanashi. Up here, there is just no wicks. There's no hesitation, so there's no reason for me to move my stop loss higher. My only risk is it comes down and sort of stops me out. Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin, let's get rid of some of this off the chart. Dogecoin, yeah, we've got really a small wick there, so I've got my stop loss just below it, and no wicks below there, so there's no hesitation. Dot, same thing here, $3.96 stop loss. Sui is stop loss down here, 79.66 cents. Cas is, yeah, we got in sort of down here. That's now closed and it's red. I would probably bring this up a little bit closer, because I'm thinking it's going to do some of this stuff here, and it's probably just going to go nuts and get knocked out. So I want to have CAS a little bit closer, so 15.835 cents. Chainlink is stop loss is staying down there, $10.18. Litecoin is $61.35. Stop loss is staying down there. Again, no hesitation there. There's some, yeah, I'll get on to what could be leveraged at the moment, and there's a lot of stuff that's looking quite good. Near protocols, stop loss is down at $3.77. No hesitation on those prices. Wow, there's a lot of coins that are really don't have any sort of hesitation over the next little bit. OKB is stop loss of $36.51. Solana is 126.26, and no hesitation. Ton, $5.14. XRP, again, there's no hesitation. Wow, 53 cents. SHIB is down here, just underneath this one here. 401281. Rat Pulse. This is just an extra one I'm going to throw in. Rat Pulse. No hesitation, straight up. Looking good. There would be a stop loss if you had one somewhere down here. So 403232. Yeah, so that's basically it. If I was going to really drill down into anything that you can go along with, let's say, obviously I'm usually using a 5-day period. You can see in my 5-day period here, like Ethereum, if I go to Hikanashi candles, basically if I start going to the higher time frames, like monthly, it's a train wreck. Like Ethereum is on the monthly chart, it's an absolute train wreck. This is what happens when you go to the higher time frames. It doesn't give you some good insight into, if you do a leverage trade that's short term, you might have to hold it longer. So if you keep your leverage down, you can actually it can allow for a bit more of a drawdown. So you can hold out through, if a price moves the wrong way in the wrong direction, and then it sort of comes back. AVAX I wouldn't touch. Bitcoin Cash I wouldn't touch. These are all just for leverage, right? Binance, I'm saying I wouldn't touch, but look at that. This body here, it's equally as powerful down, and we've got the wicks pointing down, so that means it's red and it's going down. There's no indecision here in the price. Ethereum is going down. I'm telling you now, right? So this is what I'm saying. Cardano, we don't know what it's doing. It's too indecisive, trending down. You've got, let me get rid of this. You got AVAX, indecision and red, 100% going down. Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin's indecisive but turning green. Bitcoin is indecisive and red. Dogecoin is indecisive and red, downward bias, I should say. Red means down, so you know that. Dot is definitely going down by this. Sui has been smashing it up, and but there is some price indecision on a monthly scale, so it can go either way. There's no guarantees there. CAS is undecided and going down, and Chainlink's going down, Litecoin going down, near protocol undecided and or going down. B is undecided and going down, undecided and going down for Solana. No indecision, 100% going down on Ton. XRP undecided and probably going to leaning towards an upside bias as a resolution of that, but yeah, it's undecided. Tron is 100% going up. Again, it's not a guarantee, but you know what I'm saying. SHIB is undecided and biased to the downside.